I'm very hungry. I wonder if I could go to a restaurant. Ooh, there's a note over there. It says, Fidget Restaurant. Perfect, I want to go there. It says, call this phone number and we'll tell you where to go. Okay, I'll be back when I'm done calling the phone number. Bye. Hello? Yes. Okay. That's what it is? Okay. I'll be there in like 5 minutes. Okay, bye. Okay, so I just got done talking to the owner, and they said where it is, so I'm going there, and yeah, I'll be there. I'll be back when I'm there. Okay, so I'm there. I'm here, and here's the table. It's really pretty. I like it. Okay. So, the table looks good. Okay, I'm gonna order my food when the waiter comes. Waiter. Hello, ma'am. What would you like for today's special? Hi, yes, I will have some steak and corn on the cob if you have some. Okay, sounds good. We'll be right back. Do you want anything to drink? We have milk, water, juice. I'll take milk. Okay, we'll be back. Chef. Oh, there's an order in. It says steak and corn on the cob. Okay, so let's get one of these plates. And let's put it on the grill. Got the fork. She wants some milk too. Okay. Here's some milk. Okay, I guess we don't have any corn on the cob, but we do have this bread roll. So I'm going to put this on the plate. And we have the steak and the fork. Okay. Now, let's go serve it to the waiter. So the waiter can serve it, yeah. I wonder when my food's gonna be here. Waitress. Okay, your food's here. And here's your drink. Thank you. Oh, there's no corn on cob. I think they didn't have any. They have a bread roll and some steak. And some milk. Let's see how this tastes. Just a disclaimer, this is fake food. This is just a skit. Please do not eat fake food. But anyways, let's get on to the video. Okay, I'm gonna eat this first. That's good. That was good. Now let's eat the steak. That's good. That was good. Okay, now let's drink some milk. Let's wash it down. That is so good. Okay, guys, anyways, I hope you guys like this skit. And you guys can try this out with your friends, family, or siblings. But just a disclaimer, this is just a skit. Please do not eat any of these fake foods. Bye. Okay, guys, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share in 8 seconds. I mean 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you guys do it? Comment down below. Bye.